welcome to the pre-market analysis. Let's start with Nifty 50. In the last trading session, that is on Friday, the market opened at the price range of 15,705 and the fall up to the support level, which is 15,635, and it formed a hammer candle near the support, which was a bullish reversal confirmation candle pattern. And you see, in 15 minutes time frame also it has formed a candle pattern, and in 30 minutes time frame also it has formed a hammer candle pattern, which is a very good confirmation signal for buying. And I have already mentioned Friday on my Telegram channel about this bullish candle confirmation on the support area, so we all take a buy opportunity. Our subscribers in our Telegram channel has used this reversal signals and made a good amount of profits. And we made this confirmation not only looking at the Nifty but also in the Bank Nifty. You could see in the Bank Nifty also it has formed a bullish engulfing, and we get a second confirmation over here, and we take an entry around this region. So comparing with the Nifty Bank and the Nifty support area, we take a bullish entry. And also I have previously mentioned in one of my I think the Thursday pre-market analysis video, even if you get the selling signal, don't go for sell entry, because we don't have any confirmation target for the selling signal. In wherever it could be getting rejected, but we could wait for a buying signal whenever the market reaches the support level, or even if the candle crosses below the support level, you could take the entry in the demand level. So the market hit the support level and started moving up. We could also see in the 1 day time frame. In the 1 day time frame, you could see here from supply region, the market started falling for the 4 consecutive days, and now it has formed a candle bullish reversal candle pattern, which is hammer. If this body was little much thinner, it will be called as a dragonfly doji. That will also indicate as a bullish reversal confirmation. Okay, and also in the Bank Nifty you could see that in the Bank Nifty, after 4 consecutive falls, it has formed a spinning top. This indicates a very good bullish reversal signal. So how could we take the trade for Monday? Now it is in 15 minutes time frame. Now you could see that the market started falling from here, then retest, then hit the support, then retest, then here, then here. I hope you guys know that this is a head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern, right? So this has formed an inverted head and shoulder pattern. This might be our resistance area, which is around 15,730 to 15,735 will be our resistance area. If the market opens flat around this 15,730 area and forms a bullish candle, right? Even it may be a 5 minutes candle or a 15 minutes candle. If this candle closes with a bullish confirmation, you could keep that candle's low as a stop loss. If the candle opens nearby 15,730 flat or little low gap up around 15,740, wait for the 5 minutes or 15 minutes candle for the confirmation. If it closes in bullish confirmation candle, you could go for a buy by keeping the candle's lower stop loss, and your first target might be 15,800, which is all around near our resistance area. That might be a very good risk reward for your entry. You could only go for a sell by if the market opens flat and closes negative. That will be a some of a risky trade for a sell entry, because it has formed a kind of bullish reversal signal, right? So you could not go for a sell, it will be risky. When you could go for a sell is only when the candle crosses the support area around 15,620. Crossing the support area will be a confirmation for selling signal. Until then you can't go for a sell. You could go for a sell when the market reaches resistance area, which is around 15,830. So if the Monday market opens and makes a bullish candle, you could definitely go for a buy by keeping that candle's lower stop loss, because there will be your stop loss will be minimum. Okay, so this is for Nifty 50. Let's now move to Bank Nifty. it is in 15 minutes time frame. Here also you could see that the market has started falling from here, and then here, 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 here. So it has formed a kind of triple bottom. Okay, this is called as a triple bottom. So we will consider this 34,900 as a resistance. On the Friday session, the market opened around 34,728 price and made a high of 34,894, which is 81 points higher than a opening price. So the market closed with a positive note. So you could, if the market opens flat or a little gap up around 34,900 area, wait for a 5 minutes candle to close or a 15 minutes candle to close. If the candle closes bullish, keep that candle's low as stop loss and go for a buy. Your first target might be 35,000. Yeah, 35,000 will be your first target, and 35,150 will be your second target. You could go for sell only below the support region, which is around 34,560. If the candle crosses below 34,560, you could go for a sell, and you could go for an open target, like first target will be 34,400 and 34,200. But the market seems to be taking reversal because the market has consecutively fallen for 4 days. On the Friday, it doesn't make any consolidation. Okay, if the market makes consolidation, we could look for a selling opportunity, but the market confirms for a bullish reversal, so we'll be looking for a buying opportunity. On the Friday, the FII sold for 992 crores and DI bought for 930 crores. This is all about the pre-market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you have liked the video. And yes, our Telegram channel has reached 1000 subscribers. I'm happy for that. And our YouTube channel has reached 100 subscribers. I have mentioned my Telegram channel ID in description. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Have a happy trading. Thank you.